Hey everyone, Gil here at Grayman Prepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about alcohol supplies. Now I know some of you are going to jump to the, beer and hard liquor, and others are going to jump to the rubbing alcohol. Well, I want to talk to you about all of them, because they all have a place in your preps. Well, let's start with rubbing alcohol. Rubbing alcohol generally comes in two different percentages: 70% proof, or 70% alcohol, or 140 proof, and 90% alcohol, or 180 proof. Now, the proof is where they test the strength of the alcohol, and that comes with more importance in dealing with drinking liquors. All right, so your rubbing alcohol, I think everybody knows what that's for. Sterilizing stuff, making your own hand sanitizer, and using it for medical purposes, such as sterilizing thermometers and things like that you don't want to have to replace every single time you use them. Now, with the other thing you can use the rubbing alcohol to make, similar to making the hand sanitizer, is to make gelled fuel. Like for the sterno stoves, where they have the gelled alcohol in it, and you can make your own gelled alcohol that way to use as a cooking fire for that type of a situation. All right, now drinking alcohol, beers, low percentage or low proofage alcohols, or soft liquors as they're called. Your different types of beers and wines and stuff like that. That's up to you if you want to store those type items. Then there is the hard liquors. And hard liquors start to deviate in what you can use them for. Stuff like vodka, which is 140 proof, clear, they can use that as rubbing alcohol. Everclear, 190 proof, yeah, you can use that as rubbing alcohol as well. And both those can be used to make gelled alcohol fuels. Some of the others that are colored, whiskeys and bourbons and stuff like that, you can use those to make gelled fuels and stuff, but you don't want to use those for sanitizing stuff, because they do leave a residue behind because of the coloring in them. All right, so things to think about: you don't have to store alcohol at all if you don't want. You can stick just to rubbing alcohol. You can stick just to drinking alcohol. But think about the different possibilities and ways you can use alcohol in your preps. Stay happy. Don't let life get you down. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps: water, food, medicine, clothing. Add a new skill every month. And if you can, get on the little challenge I'm trying to get going here to do an indoor garden year-round. I know it's already March, but you can still grow food indoors year-round, and it's something you probably need to do.